In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the Depth Live Wallpaper, simple and easy. So if you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. So now let's start. So this is how the app looks like when you download it from Google Play Store. There's the interface here. You just need to select your preferred wallpaper. You download it and then you use it. So now let's select this here. You can see I've already downloaded it. So I just tap on apply. So this is how it's going to look like on my phone. You can set wallpaper by tapping on that. So you set it to your home screen, your lock screen, and your home and lock. So let me make it only home. Good. So it's done. So now let me come back here. You can see this is my home screen now. Now let's go back to the app and let me talk about some other stuff you need to know about the app. So just like you can see all these ones here, when you tap on it like this, you have to download it. Right? You tap on it, apply. You see the download. You download it. After that, you tap on the apply to use it. Good. Now let's come here to this section, and you can see with this section here, you have a lot of categories of your wallpapers you want to use. So if you want a cartoon, you just tap on the view or to view the cartoons. If you want cars and vehicles, if you want birds, if you want animes, architecture, that's buildings, you can just select from any of these categories. So this section is a category section. Good. And this is where you can find normal images, that's popular ones on here that a lot of people use. And here you can add some settings here. So you can see most of the settings are for people on the premium version, right? The font size, right? You can make it small. Yeah. And then the position, you get it. And then the vertical, you can make it there. So the position, you can make it in the middle here. And then typography, effects, transformation, date, you can change the font size of the date too as well. You can do this. So actually you can customize everything. Date settings too, you need to be on the pro version. And now when you tap on this section here, you move to your settings on the app. It's quite simple. You can see app permissions and everything. You can clear your cache here. If you want to upgrade, you can tap on the GoPro to pay and then upgrade. The animation settings too, you can change the slide and fade and everything here. So it's very simple using the depth wallpapers. So I think that's it. Very simple. So if you are new here, you have any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.